Hello, welcome to Cal Poly's Cal State Apply tutorial series. In this video, we will cover the My Profile, the My Data sections, and extended profile section of the application. After you have started your application, the My Profile and extended profile sections can be found at the top right-hand corner of the application, My Profile, Extended Profile. The My Profile section is the information you listed to create your Cal State Apply account, like your name, contact information, and password. The Extended Profile section is also information you listed to create your CSA account and consists of your degree goal, current educational status, if you are a returning student, your U.S. military status, and your residency. You can also make changes in this section. For instance, underneath the question, have you taken and earned college credits through a community college or university? Yes, but you realize it was no. So you want to click no, scroll down to the bottom of the page, save those changes. You will also be prompted that these changes were saved successfully. You want to click OK, and you're able to scroll down and see that those changes were kept. After you have started your application, the My Data section can be found at the top right-hand corner of the application. Please note that the My Data section will not appear for our transfer applicants. The My Data section lists California residents' high school transcripts from CCGI. That's the College Guidance Initiative that were linked and imported using californiacolleges.edu, where you will click on the Connect. You want to continue, and this will direct you to californiacolleges.edu. You're welcome to sign in if you already have an account. If you do not, you can still register. You will follow the prompts to complete and have an account on californiacolleges.edu. Again, you must create an account on californiacolleges.edu to import your CCGI data, that's your high school transcript, to the academic history quadrant of the application. It's important to list the correct high school and term type when setting up your account, or a course record will not be found to import. It is also important to review the information imported to confirm courses taken, grades received, and A through G designation noted. You can find that information on your application in the academic history quadrant in the A through G matching section. Additionally, if your school has not registered with CCGI, your course record will not be found to import. You will still be able to manually complete the academic history quadrant of the application. From either the My Profile or Extended Profile section, you're able to go to the beginning of your application by simply going over to the left of the application, click on My Application, and that will direct you where you will see all 4 quadrants. Thank you for watching, and feel free to contact our office with any further information. We wish you the best of luck.